Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your nose on your selfies, its width, narrow it, lift it and so on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, you should tap on the face button down below, which is the third option. Now click on the nose option, which is the third one. Here in the middle of the screen, you can see that you have five specs that you can change. First of all, zoom in so that you can adjust it more precisely. First, you can change its size, so you can make it bigger or smaller on the slide. You can change its width, as well as you can narrow it down as too, and you can lift it up and down. You can also select the tip of it. If you zoom out, you can see how it has been changed. So if you are satisfied with the result and changes, click on the check mark icon down below to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.